Hi everyone, welcome to new project, same paper collab. I apologize for missing last month, and I apologize in advance because I don't have a whole lot for this month either, but it's been a little bit of a rough month, so please forgive me. I have so many ideas for next month, and I will be working on it a lot to try and finish the paper pad I'm working with, which of course is still Love U A Latte. I had hoped to be done by May or June, but just didn't make it. And the last note I had said I had 25 sheets left out of 48. Well, roughly 48. I think I had about 44 when I started, something like that. For this month's project, I used 3 new 12 by 12s, except for these pieces. So I still have some, but they will be used for next month for sure. And then I did have some larger scraps, and they were much larger than this, and that's all I have left of those. And I had another one, and I don't think I used this one actually. I had another one. It was, which pattern? Can't even remember. But anyway, I think I used up that whole scrap. So without that further ado, let me get started and show you what I did. Like I said, it's not a whole lot, but it's something I've been wanting to try. In fact, I had asked my son for something for Christmas, and he got it for me, and I never used it until now. So here we go. I made traveler's notebooks. Sorry for the glare. I push that up a little bit so that maybe it's not so glary. I don't have any inserts done yet, except for like I'm going to get pen holders, which I followed a tutorial by Lyric Lover Crafts, Amber, over on her channel for a B6 traveler's notebook. But I also have one that was gifted to me. It's a winter one, and this was made by Andrea. Oh shoot, I can't remember her last name. Mind blank. And she did things a little bit different, and I'm gonna follow, like, she has a shaker. I probably won't do that, but and she's got inserts that I don't think she made them herself, but they already have designer paper on, so maybe I don't know if that matches the cover. But I don't know whether she bought them like that. It looks like it. Maybe she might have made them herself. I don't know, or taken the whatever cover was off. So I need to get some inserts or make some inserts, and she has some in here that have pockets, like photo sleeves too, but I like this center pocket idea, so I'm going to do that. And she's got the pen holder right on there, but I like that that's hooked right in. And then more paper. So now Amber bought some like craft paper that has, I like the lined paper because I would use these to write in, and maybe the blank ones, probably not the dotted one, I don't know. So anyway, I made 3 of them. I used my laminator, and I made one of these things. This is the other paper for each of them, and I think I did pretty good for my first try. I had a little trouble with the corner rounding going through the laminate, and why this is out is because I used this. This is from my jewelry stash. It's automatic center punch. It's spring loaded by Pittsburgh Pro. I don't know where I got this. I think at oh, Harbor Freight. It says it right on it. So I got that at Harbor Freight a while ago. When you do that, you just have to make sure that your center strings are not in the way, or you'll weaken them. And it's really easy. You just tie a knot, but you have to kind of make sure that it's tight enough and not too tight, but because when you put inserts in, it needs to have a little room too. So anyway, I made 3 of them. This one has this for the insert, and this, the only elastic I had, which is 1 millimeter, I believe. I don't know, it says 0.0, it's 0.118 centimeter, which means nothing to me. These I think I got at Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby. There were Christmas ones in gold and silver. pretty much the only, I might have other elastic in my jewelry stash, but I wanted to use these. So I have silver. This one has the coffee beans and donuts. This one has just a different pattern that I figured you could use for everyday use. It didn't have to be coffee themed even. And then this one, of course, could be hot chocolate, coffee, whatever. And that one just looks like latte. So those are my 3 Traveler's notebooks. I do apologize I don't have much more for you this month, but I will be working really hard to smash this 12 by 12 for next month. And I know I should switch to Christmas. I had hoped to do a Christmas in July, but I need to finish this pad first. So I'll be working really hard and to finish that, and I don't know that I'll have time to do that and start on another one for July, so we'll see. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a collab with Stmpgrl, who is Paige. So we both skipped last month, so please go over and see what she made. Probably more than I did, but anyway, even if not, she always has wonderful projects, and I love to look at them as well and get ideas. So I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Stay safe.